Have you ever wished you could transform a single small image into an expansive, infinite pattern that seamlessly loops on screen? Or create smooth, dynamic transitions between video clips instead of using simple cuts? Or even generate sophisticated text animations where words multiply and move in complex, engaging ways? All of this is entirely possible thanks to a powerful feature inside Adobe After Effects called Motion Tile. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how Motion Tile works and how you can use it to elevate your motion graphics projects. At its core, Motion Tile duplicates your layer in all directions, horizontally and vertically, to create a tiled pattern. The key controls you'll use are output width and output height, which determine how far the tiling extends. For example, increasing these values from 100 to 300 will triple the area covered by your layer. However, when you create tiles, you'll often see visible seams where the edges meet. To solve that, enable mirror edges. This flips and mirrors adjacent tiles so they blend together seamlessly, producing a cohesive and often visually striking pattern, almost like a kaleidoscope. Another crucial setting is Tile Center. By animating Tile Center's X and Y values, you can shift your tiled pattern in any direction, creating smooth, endless loops. This technique is perfect for generating moving backgrounds such as flowing textures, skies, or abstract visuals. The phase setting adds further variety by shifting alternate rows or columns, breaking up repetitive patterns, and introducing more complex designs like staggered bricks or honeycomb effects. Practical uses for Motion Tile include building seamless, looping backgrounds when you only have small source images. Instead of scaling up low-resolution textures, which often results in blurry visuals, you can expand your footage with Motion Tile while maintaining quality and detail. Motion Tile also shines when used for dynamic transitions. For example, applying it to an adjustment layer allows you to animate tiles to slide or scatter one clip off screen while revealing the next, adding a layer of visual interest beyond simple cuts. Finally, Motion Tile works excellently with text. By pre-composing your text layer and applying Motion Tile, you can duplicate and animate text across the frame for kinetic typography effects, creating sophisticated high-energy visuals suitable for modern video design. In short, Motion Tile is an incredibly versatile tool. It's easy to learn, but offers significant creative depth. Experiment with different settings and combinations, and you'll discover countless ways to integrate it into your motion design workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more in-depth motion graphics techniques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.